Hi, I'm Amy with Bestcovery. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to evaluate which blender is the best personal blender for you and your family. We're looking at the Beast blender versus the Go jars by Blendtec. Let's get started. In the packaging, overall you have this coming with the Go blender, the base and the cup, and a lid to use from day to day. Packaging for the Beast blender tonal. You have the large container, you have a smaller container that you can use to pour, you have lids for this one. It also comes with a thicker container that if you open it right here, you have the wide mouth to pour in your smoothie, put the lid on there, and then throughout the day you have a smaller mouth with which you can drink. And so that's a very helpful piece too. Let's look at wattage. The Beast blender here is 1200 watts. The Blendtec Classic is 1560. So you have a little more power going here. And now let's look at design to compare. This is the cup and the shape of the Go jar. It does have these divots on the side where you can put your hand in. This is the base that goes and it can join into any Blendtec blender. This cup gives you enough versatility to fill it, have a really good smoothie, and a great way to start your day. Whereas the Beast blender here, this is made of more of a heavier plastic. It feels significantly heavier. You can see they're both round, but inside, do you hear that? They have these little divots inside to make more of a ribbed texture. So while you're blending, it's supposed to help break down pieces and have a really smooth smoothie for you in the morning. One thing, overall comparison in what you actually get, I'm very impressed that out of all the blenders we've been testing, the Beast tonal blender has 2 lids, so you can make your smoothie, put the lid in it, put it in the fridge and save it for later, freeze it if you just want to warm it up for the next day. This gives you a lot more freedom having the containers as part of the system just to get started. We both have great systems here. Let's check out the setup and see which one is the better value. The Beast tonal blender comes with all of the different items, the lids, the other pieces, and retail is at $215. The Blendtec, you would buy the regular classic blender with the regular container that goes on top, and have the additional Go jar to add on, which is $449 retail right now. So that is a big, huge difference in what you're looking for overall. If you're looking for a day-to-day blender, this might be the perfect thing to make your smoothie and get on with your day. If you're looking for the blender that you can use throughout the day, that you can use to make drinks when friends come over, lovely margarita night, or you're looking for, oh, it'd be fun to make some healthy ice cream alternatives for my family, this might be a better choice. So I can talk about it all day, but it doesn't matter unless it works. And so what I'd like to do is compare 2 exact smoothie recipes, and then we'll see which smoothie pours the smoothest, which one's easier to drink, overall, which one is the most effective, so you can make the right decision for your family. All right, it's all set up. It's in there. You can see it's right here on Blendtec. You can see the button, and then we just push smoothie. Let's give it a taste. That's really good. I'm very excited to see how it compares. You can taste a little bit of the shape and texture of the chia seed, but not enough to take away from the flavor. All right, let's do the next round. And there you go. See how the light turned white? That tells you it's all done. Take it out. Let's give it a try. I really thought the Blendtec would have the better blend overall, but with the smoothness and the lack of like this shape and the texture of the chia seeds blended in, the Beast blender did superbly well. So I'm very impressed overall. So in the final analysis, looking at the different components, what comes with each blender, we have the Blendtec Classic here with the Go jars. Additionally, at $4.49, we have the Beast Tonal Blender with all of the different accessories here for a total of $2.15. This is great if you're looking for a personal blender to make your smoothie, and they come out very, very smooth. I've been impressed with the quality. At 1200 watts, this is a great power to make your daily smoothie. However, if you're looking for a blender appliance you can use all throughout your cooking, all throughout different options, an overall variety, then you'd want to go with a fuller model blender that can give you the strength, the speed to crush ice, to make your smoothies, to make your treats however you'd like. If there's a product you've been wanting to try, or if there's something that you are thinking, I'd really love to compare how this item crushes ice compared to this item. If there's a blender comparison that you're thinking of, and not just blenders, anything in your kitchen and home, that's exactly what we love to do here. So go ahead, leave a comment, let us know what you're thinking, what you're looking at to make the purchase, and we're happy to do the testing and let you know our honest, truthful opinion.